Hello, I'm Oliver Sheridan and I'm a forestry researcher in Teagasc. My research is on genetic improvement of our native broadleaves, namely birch and alder. The birch programme has been running for almost 20 years and the alder for 14 years. The main aim of this project is to provide improved planting stock of birch and alder for the farmers and landowners wishing to establish forests. When we are selecting trees in the wild to include in our breeding programme, this is the type of tree we don't want to select. It has a crooked stem and it is forked. It has very poor shape and form. This is the type of tree we do want to select for our breeding programme. It's got a good straight stem, a good size diameter and a very good crown. Trees with good characteristics that we select for our breeding programme, we call these plus trees. In order to include this tree in our breeding programme, we collect shoots of past season's growth during January and February to bring back to the nursery for grafting. These shoots are called signwood and they will form the above ground part of the tree, that is the stem and branches. The signwood we collected from the tree is now being grafted. This is the signwood, this is the rootstock, and the reason we graft is that we want an exact copy of the parent tree. After grafting, the plant material is potted into 2-litre containers with prepared compost and lined out on the bench to grow on until the plants are big enough to include in our seed orchard. These are all the grafts that we prepared in March of this year, and we're now looking at approximately 5 months growth. A new indoor seed orchard was established here in Ashtown in this purpose-built polyhouse in November 2017. This indoor seed orchard was established with the grafted plants when they were about 2 years old. Today they are 4 years old. Here we can see this year's seed production on birch. This seed is ready for harvesting now. This is what the birch seed will look like when it is harvested, and as you can see, it is very small. The alder seed has been extracted from the alder conelets. As a result of almost 20 years of Teagasc research, improved birch plant material has become available for grant-aided afforestation projects. The research to improve the quality of our native broadleaves, such as birch and alder, will continue, ensuring that the best possible plant material will be available to establish forests now and in the future.